Stocks our strategists feel are poised to deliver positive returns are featured now in their top stock picks of the week.
We're going to talk about a chip maker and a fund company, an investment fund company, in this particular segment with Eric Dutram, our strategist who has decided he's going to hold the fort down here today and go solo with these two top stock picks for this week.
That's right, Terry. The show must go on.
That's right. That's what they say. So which one are you going to do first?
So we'll talk about Intel first. This company actually just had its earnings report pretty recently, and it's been a pretty good season for semiconductor stocks in general. If we look to the chart, though, we can see that Intel really hasn't moved any higher after its latest beat, and although it does have a pretty good history of earnings season, having not missed since early 2014, shares have really kind of been flat here since their report. Now, this is in sharp contrast to a lot of other companies out there in the semiconductor world. A lot of those other ones, like Qualcomm, for example, have been much stronger performers. So Intel's been a little sluggish here, but if we look to some of the recent detailed estimates for this company, we can see that in terms of actual estimates, we've seen some positive trends here over the last 60 days. 8 estimates higher for the current quarter, 14 higher for the current year, and this is transitioning into some nice moves in terms of the consensus estimate for both the current quarter and current year here. So the stock has just moved into Zacks rank buy territory, a B score for its fundamentals, top 8% for its industry. So some nice metrics overall for this company. And since it hasn't really moved up since its report, now could be a good time to get into Intel.
Okay, and then the other stock company that caught your eye was Eaton Vance.
Yeah.
That's the investment fund company.
Yeah, exactly. And Eaton Vance, they do a lot of mutual funds and other investment products. This could be one to watch because they actually report earnings before the bell on August 17th, later in this week. This company is also a Zacks rank number 2 buy. It just got moved up into that buy territory. C grade for fundamentals. What to note about this company, though, is if we look to the chart here, we can see it has a very mixed track record when it comes to earnings estimates and beating estimates in earnings season. But it did post a nice beat here in the most recent quarter, and earnings estimates have actually been trending a bit higher as of late for both 2016 and 2017. So some much better estimates for this company. It does have a positive earnings ESP, and actually Eaton Vance is coming out with this new product. They actually just came out with it. It's called an exchange-traded mutual fund.
Yeah.
So this could be a new category of growth for Eaton Vance. So we'll want to see some more commentary about this and what their plans are for expansion in this new possible growth area for Eaton Vance.
Different from an ETF?
Yes, it's kind of like a mutual fund in that you don't know what the holdings are on a day-to-day basis, but it trades on an exchange. So some active managers might find this more appealing. That way they don't have to tell everyone, hey, these are our holdings every day. But you still get the benefits of the ETF being traded on a regular exchange.
That is interesting.
Yeah.
All right, do you own either of these two stocks?
Do not.
All right, check out more stock information on our website. Stock picks and stock picking strategies, among other things. Zacks.com is the place to go. Link to it all off the homepage. Meantime with Eric, I'm Terry Ruffalo.